Well, here it is, finally, after 9 weeks of waiting. Ordered on March 20th. It's finally arrived, at least 2 out of the 3 boxes. The tall one is the Johnny Bucket loader, and the small box is going to be the actuators and the other stuff that I ordered. So there's one more box arriving Thursday. That should be the tooth bar, but I've got enough to get going on this. So let me get these boxes cut open and we're gonna have a look at it. All right guys, we're back and I've got all the straps off, and one of them I popped just a little bit. This is gonna be the actual loader or bucket, and I got to get a glimpse. Take a look. You're gonna see this for the first time. Check it out. This is 2021 and you have not seen this design yet. Check it out. They have really spruced this bucket up for 2021. That is pretty cool. So that's actually not a sticker. I guess you'd call that, what, laser cut? You guys can tell me in the comments what we're looking at, but this is pretty cool. I'm gonna open the other side here. Gonna try not to sweat all over it. And Johnny Bucket hauls it, so that's kind of cool. And this is made right here in the USA. They welded this custom together for me in the last couple of weeks. Looks pretty cool. So that's where we're at. Now we're gonna take a pop on the other box and see what we've got. And this should be all the accessories, brackets and such, and of course the all-important actuators. There we go. Not really sure what we're looking at here, but there's various components there. Those look like they're made of plastic, so it might be some kind of covers. The rest of this stuff is all heavy metal, so we're gonna get this open and spread it out, but that is pretty cool right there. I think I might be one of the first kids on the block on YouTube to be showing you that. So let's get all this unboxed completely and we'll have another look. Alright guys, I've got everything unboxed completely, and I guess we'll start with the actual bucket itself. You've got different kinds of bracketry that it comes with, so we'll figure out how all this stuff goes together. One thing I'm not really sure how I feel about is this design change that really wasn't published at all, but I guess this is how they're doing it now. I would have just kind of preferred a sticker, but I guess it says Johnny Bucket hauls it on there, so that's just great. On the back side here, this is all one piece. That's the hinge on it, so it operates like that. And over here, of course, we have the actuators. Guess we won't miss a Beavis joke. One of the boxes says dump. So we have a lift and dump actuator, and these are the same Thompson actuators. I guess they're similar to the one that's on the back sleeve hitch. We'll have a chance to compare it. We have an instruction manual and various hardware. And the black plastic items, they were hobby boxes, so I'll show you what the use for those will be. Basically, here's one of the hobby boxes that's been unplastic, that's designed to hold things like switches, and in this case a joystick, which is what I'm hoping to set up for this. This is basically a 4-way joystick on it, and the joystick's going to get either mounted in the box, or I'll have to figure out some creative way to mount this, and I'll have to put a little bit more thought into that. So we'll see how that goes. Now we only have 2 out of the 3 boxes, because if you order one of these standard, this is what you would get right here for about $1,500. And there's one other item, which is called a tooth bar, which I'm guessing would probably bolt in here using these holes here, but it's basically a bar for digging. So it's going to have teeth on the front. That's going to be showing up Thursday, so we'll get that on the next video. So that's what I've got for now. Going to get this stuff sorted out and hopefully have a video up to you guys with what kind of progress we're making, but I guess we're starting phase 3. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. See you on the next video.